Hello everyone, welcome to this video. My name is Francisco, the English teacher of this course, Level 6. On this video, we are going to talk about a brief introduction of all the content you will see during this course. Okay, as you can see, we have here the first unit of this level, which is Unit 7, but basically is the unit that you are going to start in this level. You will have 6 units. That means that you will study from Unit 7 to 12. The topic of this is my favorite things. Okay, we are going to analyze all the content that we have here. In communication item, we have talking about possessions, but we are going to learn here about the possessive pronouns and the object pronouns. And also we have making comparisons. Okay, we are going to remember how to make sentences. In level 5 you study this topic, but in this we're going to see a deeper introduction in this topic. Okay, we are going to compare things and products that you have, or products that you can find on the web or on department store and stuff like that. Also, we are going to talk about talking about giving and receiving gift. Okay, and in this topic, we are going to use the grammar, the difference between have and has got. Okay, one is British and one is American. We are going to see what grammar we have to use, what is the structure of this used to express possession. Okay, and shopping for household items. Also, we are going to talk about in this course. Okay, if you remember a little bit about comparison, okay, which is the grammar that we are going to study here. Okay, try to remember that in previous level when we study the structure of comparative adjectives. Okay, in comparative adjectives, you learn that you have to add er to some verbs. So sorry, some adjectives. Okay, and also you have to add more to some adjectives. What the difference when you use er and when you use more? That depends on how many syllables the adjective has. For example, for short adjectives like old, remember that to make the comparative, you add er and you change. Let me change something here. The configuration. Okay. You change this adjective to comparative older. Okay, with this adjective compare this is the name of comparative adjective. Okay, with this adjective you can compare, you can make a sentence to compare anything, a person, a thing, or an animal. Okay, later I'm gonna show you that sentence. Okay, structure. When we use more, basically we use more when we have adjectives with 3 or more syllables. For example, let's talk about this. Be beautiful. Okay, how many syllables do beautiful have? You can see beautiful. Yeah, you can notice that it has 3 syllables. When you have this case, okay, what you can't add er. What you have to do is to add more, and then you write the adjective as it is. Okay, you can see that is the difference in how you make comparative adjectives with short adjectives and with longer adjectives, longer than 3 syllables. Okay, uh, older, more beautiful. Okay, basically I know that you can remember the translation in Spanish. Okay, if you're not sure, try to use the Google Translate or any kind of translation device that you have, so you can remember a little bit about this. Another characteristic, well, I mentioned about another characteristic in comparative adjective. Okay, what else we are going to see here? Question, I think you can see that grammar we have question with four indirect objects. Oh, that's interesting. We have a topic here called indirect objects. See here. Here we are going to remember about the objects, object pronouns. What are the object pronouns? There are pronouns that are used at the end of the sentence. After, not at the end of the sentence, basically, we put this after the verb. Okay, and some of them are a little similar to the subject pronoun that you know. For example, we have me, me, you, he, him, her, it, 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 um, us, and them. Okay, this is the object pronouns that we are going to study in this level. We are going to learn how to use this in what uh, placement of the sentence you can find or you can add this adjective. And there, basically, one of the characteristics is that you this object pronoun receive the action of the verb. And the subject pronouns that you know, I, you, he, she, they perform the action, they make the action. They And that is one of the difference. Um, Also, you will learn that not all the verbs have object pronouns. Okay, and we'll talk about that. Okay, I can see you maybe a short example so you can have an idea uh, what I'm talking about. For example, you can say, "Look at, look at Susan. So she's she's cute today." Okay, let me show you this example here. So she's cute today. Okay, so when how the object pronoun works here is we replace here. Look at Susan. Susan is basically she, and she is related to this object pronoun. So we use look at her. Look at her. Okay, look at her. She's cute today. Okay, this is one example that was mentioned. Okay, that the object pronoun goes after the verb. Okay, no matter if it's a question or a sentence. Okay, good. Yeah, later during the course you will learn more about this and the structure and all the things that you need to know. Okay, what else we are going to study is the here I mentioned the having has, which maybe in some classes you mentioned, because this is a very interesting topic that students bring up, and because they listen on TV or maybe on some songs and videos, music videos. Okay, that's why this topic comes up in every class. Okay, the difference between have and has. One is for American English, and the second is for British English. Okay, both are correct, but you will learn in this course when to use it and what structure is correct with them. In the vocabulary section, we are going to study the shopping. We're going to start everything related to shopping, and some expression like I'm worried about. Okay, do you mind if, which is very used to, uh, very common to use in polite request. Okay, they never know. Okay, these expressions are going to be in the list, in the conversation, in the listening exercise that you have in the computer lab. Okay, and I hope you try to focus in the content, how the people use these kind of expressions. Okay. Okay, we have listened to a conversation, reading a catalog, and writing a thank you note. Okay, that means that we are learning writing here, huh? Some academic writing you will learn here. What else we have? Okay, at the beginning you can start. Okay, after this video you can start doing these exercises, exercise A and exercise B. Okay, and when you are ready, you can call the teacher and talk about these four activities that you have: A, B, C, and D. Okay, if you need a dictionary, open a dictionary. Try to use, you're in level 6. Try not to use uh, Spanish English dictionary. Try to use an English dictionary, which is better for you. Okay, okay. I hope you like this introduction. Okay, if you have any question, please ask your teacher. And this unit is gonna be very interesting. Okay, and I hope you like it. Okay. See you in the next video. Bye.